Hi, this is Karen with WTI. And this is the TOZO T10 Bluetooth 5.3 wireless earbuds with wireless charging case. And I really like how comfortable they are, and it doesn't hurt my ears after using them for several hours. Also, the size of it is really compact. You can take it with you anywhere, you can put it on your purse. But the main feature, what I really like, is you only have to pair it manually one time, and that's it. The rest is so easy. You just uh, grab one of the earbuds, and then it will automatically connect with your phone in a matter of 5 seconds. As you can see right here, it takes only 5 seconds to connect. How fast is that? And they're also very responsive. You should stop once to play, twice to stop, three to use Siri if that's your case. So I really like how responsive the system is. Another beautiful plus is that you can see how much of a percentage the charging case has. You don't have to be guessing. There's four little dots that tells you if you need to charge them again, and also you can charge them wirelessly because who needs more cables, right? And that's my point of view.